Hello friends, is your cruise control acting up? Does it turn off unexpectedly or fail to maintain speed? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0574, it means your cruise control system is not maintaining a stable speed due to an intermittent or high signal issue. This can make highway driving frustrating and unsafe. But what causes this issue? Where is the sensor located, and how can you fix it? Let's find out. The P0574 code stands for Cruise Control Speed Signal Intermittent. Your cruise control system relies on a steady vehicle speed sensor, VSS signal to maintain speed. If the ECU detects an unstable or missing signal, it disables cruise control for safety. Common symptoms of P0574. Cruise control not working or turning off suddenly. Check engine light, CL, is on, speedometer behaving erratically or fluctuating, transmission shifting issues, especially in automatic cars. ABS or traction control warning lights may also appear. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the faulty components. To diagnose P0574, check these key components. Vehicle speed sensor, VSS. Location, mounted on the transmission near the output shaft. Measures vehicle speed and sends data to the ECU and cruise control system. Brake pedal position switch, brake light switch. Location, above the brake pedal under the dashboard. If the switch is faulty, it may falsely signal that you're braking, shutting off cruise control. Throttle position sensor, TPS, location, on the throttle body, near the intake manifold. If it malfunctions, the cruise control system may get incorrect throttle input. ECU, engine control unit. Location, usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Processes vehicle speed data to control cruise function. Wheel speed sensors, if ABS is involved. Location, near each wheel hub, behind the brake rotors. A faulty ABS sensor can also cause cruise control problems. Common causes of P0574, faulty vehicle speed sensor, VSS. The sensor may be sending erratic speed signals to the ECU. Brake pedal switch issue. A bad switch can turn off cruise control unexpectedly. Damaged wiring or connectors. Loose or corroded wires between the VSS, ECU, or throttle sensor. Aftermarket cruise control modifications. If not installed properly, they can send incorrect signals to the ECU. ECU software glitch, rare. In some cases, a reprogramming update may be needed. How to fix P0574? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0574 and check for related codes. Step 2. Inspect the vehicle speed sensor, VSS, on the transmission. If damaged, replace it. Step 3. Check the brake pedal position switch under the dashboard. Replace if faulty. Step 4. Test the throttle position sensor, TPS, for erratic readings. Step 5. Inspect all wiring and connectors for corrosion, brakes, or loose connections. Step 6. Check ABS wheel speed sensors if traction control or ABS lights are on. Step 7. Reset the ECU and test the cruise control after repairs. Ignoring P0574 can make highway driving difficult and unsafe. Fixing it early will restore your cruise control and prevent bigger issues. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0394. Camshaft position sensor B circuit intermittent P0395. Camshaft position sensor B circuit high. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.